We are Kaeso, a 100% Angolan oilfield service company. We don't do everything, but we can do a lot for you. We can provide what you need for asset management, downhole tools, for barrier, cleaning, and recovery services, maintenance, industrial, and operational, and consulting services. It seems little, right? But everything big started small. In a list of small big things, we rent cargo container units. We can track your assets, transport, and store your equipment. Yes, we at Kaeso take good care of your assets. We also refurbish as new your metal structures, welding, grinding, and painting them. From well to well, we wander and look for those who need to be plugged, cleaned, or recovered. Follow me. What a deep dive. Down here, 1,000 meters below surface, is where we deploy our downhole tools for your satisfaction. We're not done yet. For you, we open a healthcare center to give a new life to your tired equipment coming back from offshore. With ultra-high pressure baths, pressure tests, tool redressing, and make and break massages. We have more. This is why we invite you to check our website at www.kaeso.co. We are Kaeso. We are 100% committed to your success.